Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. The cold front continues to move north and eastwards for today, along with a cut-off low that's developing higher up in the atmosphere. And the combination of these systems bring cloudy, cold and wet weather all across the eastern parts, in particular for KZN and the Eastern Cape, where the Drakensberg is also expected to experience quite a bit of snowfall. That cut-off low will also destabilise the atmosphere on the Highveld, where we're expecting thunder showers for today, while over the western parts of the country things are clearer and a bergwind is starting up along the west coast, where temperatures are actually going to be rising. Here's a quick check of the alerts, and there is a watch in place for severe thunderstorms that could develop over the eastern high ground of the country. In particular, there's a good chance for hail as things are cooling down in the region. We're also going to see a possibility for heavy rain over southern KZN as well as some areas in the Eastern Cape. That's for much of today. And finally, there's a watch in place for snow that could cause disruptions over the mountainous areas of the Eastern Cape, in particular for the mountain passes near the Drakensberg. Let's move ahead to your rainfall map, and we can see widespread showers and thunderstorms extending down from Mpumalanga all the way through to the east coast of the country. Scattered storms over Gauteng, isolated for Limpopo and parts of the northwest, and a couple of showers still possible along the south coast, but that area is slowly going to clear during the course of the day. Moving ahead to your temperatures, in the northeast, not feeling the effects of the cold front just yet. Pretoria gets to a very comfortable 24 degrees. But as we head southwards, we can see what the cold front is doing, mid to lower teens for much of KZN and the Eastern Cape, and over the mountainous areas, temperatures will be remaining below 10 degrees Celsius. It's also going to be a very windy day for the KZN coastline, those southwesterly winds averaging at 40 kilometers per hour, but wind gusts are certainly going to be quite a bit stronger than that. Over the southern parts, it won't be too bad, except over the Karoo, where it is going to be cold, and further westwards, it's going to be warming up nicely, 24 for Vredendal. A windy day expected for Cape Agulhas, and although it will be windy at first for Muizenberg, winds are going to start moderating over your area during the afternoon. Heading northwards, we see that the Northern Cape is feeling the bite of that cold front. Uppington quite a bit colder than it has been over the last few days, with a maximum temperature of 22. Let's take a look at the coastline, and those bergwinds will be pushing Alexander Bay up to a high of 28 degrees. Also warming things up further southwards, Cape Town gets to 20, and it will be breezy with winds at 25 kilometers per hour. Let's look ahead to the start of the weekend, and things are not going to be improving for Gauteng, as we're going to see a dramatic drop in temperature, lots of cloud and rain in the area, a high of only 10 degrees for Johannesburg, while over the far western parts temperatures will slowly start recovering. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.